15 miles over the speed of light.
That's a violation of the law of Lorentz invariance, baby.
Light 'em up.
Look out for that particular individual.
Whoa, where'd my man learn that?
Sunny D commercial.
Let's refract this sucker.
DNA and career chip, please.
Erwin Schrödinger, huh? What's in the box, Schrödinger?
A cat, some poison, and a cesium atom.
The cat, is it alive or dead?
It's a superposition of both states until you open it and collapse the wave function.
Says you.
There's also a lot of drugs in there.